What up, guys? It's Ashawnya, and I'm here with another video. Guess what? Today is
my 19th birthday.
We're heading out for breakfast now, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Hi, so breakfast is served for the family. We have bojo and hash browns. As per usual, your girl finna say some. Bojo hitting. Look, y'all. We just received this news. Tomorrow we're gonna have a power outage from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Seriously? Hi, y'all. Daily routine. It's literally what I do every day. Go out, deliver products, and that's about it, even on vacation. So with that being said, this is exactly what I've been up to. A lot of people be like, you know, can you do a day in the life? You're technically getting it within these vacation vlogs. But stay tuned. We're also going to do pig maintenance. And today's my sister's birthday, so we're going to come out home and we have a little bit of guests over, not much. And we are going to have like a little party setting. I am so tired, y'all. But stay tuned. Did pig maintenance and product delivery, but I didn't bother to vlog because that was actually in previous vlogs before. I remember in my previous vlog how much water was coming down here. Well, this is the update now on a nice sunny day. So now you really understand how much rain was really falling, boy. And that was literally yesterday. So it got a whole lot better. Back to the villa. I'm literally back, guys. I was so tired, but guess what? I'm still feeling a little, you know, uppity and stuff. I'm actually editing right now. I'm getting a lot of messages. Hey, when is the next video? Because right now, still to date, the only video that I have up would be the one that I'm prepping for the staycation. So I'm actually trying to enjoy my vacation, still edit in between, so I can get up the house tour and then so on and so forth. But right now it's Wednesday and I'm vlogging for you guys. Not to see in my room. I'm just talking about wait.
Shania,
What are we waiting on?
you can take some pictures.
What are we waiting on?
You can take pictures.
Let's go.
Yeah, this you talking about first.
Alright, so I just took some pictures of my sister. I realized that this camera is not where I want it to be. Alright. So I'm about to change into a swimsuit now, so stay tuned for that. Ta-da! I put back on my thing because dinner is ready. not dinner, lunch. So let's go. And the family served. My plate ain't got here yet, but you get gist, brother. Thank you. Pork and chicken stir fry. I got some cherry juice. Now for tasting.
It's nice.
So the family here playing Monopoly. I'm about to be the buying. They don't want me to play because I IT all the time. But hey, Sheila over here chilling. Ooh, look.
The hot water, I had the berries, and the more tell me that it look right, so I had to go back and put berries. You want me?
I want that one. I want that one. I want that one. I want this one.
You left.
I want that one.
Another thing, Carol. Do you want this one then?
Ooh.
You too confused with yourself.
I thought it was one.
Alright, so dinner's ready. Let's head out and get some dinner. Alright, so Ayesha got a cheesecake. And she also has normal cake with cupcakes.
Make sure to take it so
Babe's cutting the pizzas. There's plenty. Say hi, Gran Gran.
Hi.
Gran Gran ain't running to you. Hi, Granddaddy.
Heal up.
What's heal up?
You never hear about heal up. So last year.
I just play. I know what's heal.
That's the far right.
Everyone's still not here, but it's served. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, hey.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Is there anything you would like to say? Is there anything?
I can't even remember what it is. I live in Canada.
You don't want to get
You took by that one, girls?
Oh, trust me, I was in your grill.
You saying you like that one, girls?
On behalf of Ayesha, she wants to thank everyone for coming out. Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray!
Nah, we gonna get Granddaddy do it. It be different.
Hip, hip!
Hooray!
Hip!
Hooray!
Hip! Hip!
That's it, ever it.
You know that word just to talk from the top to the bottom. Yeah. So it is. It's one of my hands. Look, tomorrow. You need to go. Electricity going out of here tomorrow. Oh. Well, we want a refund for the day. No, he's preparing now. Because it's from 9 o'clock. No, 2 o'clock.
Oh Lord, they coming out.
Yeah, oh yeah, they put the video, I'll tell you.
You're gonna have the mass destruction question.
Exactly. Want the feature?
Yeah, you should take off the lashes.
Girl, you're on there?
So y'all get you around that door.
I saw you.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is just do my night routine, what I do at night just before I get into my bed. So I would have already washed my swimsuit and I have it there drying. So every single day when I'm finished with the pool and whatnot, I would literally go and wash what I'm wearing, just so that it dry. I don't want any dirty clothes around me. That's just me. And wash all my undergarments and stuff like that as well and have them up there. But it's dried now, so yeah, there's that. So let's show you what's next. All right, so what I do is I take my hair to go bathe and I put it into a high one, like so. Just keep rocking. Like so. And then what I do is put the shower cap on over it. Because this part is out, I tend to use 2 for this side. Obviously all there is covered already. And there you have it. Alright, so I have literally just bathed. Why I like using this is not a paid promotion, by the way, but I like using this because it makes my skin, you know, feel moisturized. I have dry skin naturally, so there's that. I genuinely don't like to feel dry, and I have dry skin, so that really makes me feel as though I still have somewhat of moisture in my skin. So I'm gonna go dry my skin and come right back. If you're interested in purchasing this, you can actually click the link in the description box below. I'll have it linked from Amazon, the exact brand that I use. But again, it makes my skin feels really moisturized. It says that it restores and moisturizes very dry skin, and that's what I have. And what I love is that it's sulfate free and it has castor oil in it, natural skin, and it smells good. It's actually, you know, it's a fresh scent. It's not heavy or anything, so I love that about it. But stay tuned, I'm gonna go and get ready, dry my skin, and then come right back to you guys. All right, so now that my skin is dry, what I'm gonna do is brush my teeth. Yo, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually gonna be using Colgate today, but sometimes I use Lucida, the same toothpaste that I sell, which is a charcoal whitening toothpaste. I sell it. You can click it via the link down below and get it from my website. Your girl done. That's it. And then basically what I do is I get my roll and everything that I'm going to be using for the night, and I lay it out on the bed. I got this setting cap from Forever Fabulous, the store on IG. Absolutely amazing. It's reversible, so that makes it a whole lot easier. Forever Fabulous, the store on IG. And last but not least, my undies. So I'm gonna go put these on and I'll be right back. So I'm dressed, and what I tend to do is, like, for instance, the ones that are down here, I wrap around here, and these ones that are falling, I wrap, like, I get it after the first couple of tries. Like around my head, like so, in order to put on my bonnet, because this here is 60 inches long. There we go. So yeah, right now I have like a turban. Forever Fabulous Adore. The store really did hook me up with this bonnet. And there you have it. And then I get into my bed. Sometimes I actually add powder. I love powder. I'm a powder baby. So I have my diffuser from Total Life Changes. You can get this by the link in my bio also. And it comes with, it didn't come with it. I also bought it. You can also get it from the link in my bio. But these are some essential oils. I have, you can't even see them. But this is lemon, a Guardian, and I have orange so that the room smells really nice. So what I'm going to do is go fill this up with water and then drop the lime essential oils inside. And what this will do is literally give the room a nice aroma. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna use the lemon and the orange. Put 2 drops inside, and then 2 drops in the other. Just like so. Cover it over. And there you have it. A nice orange lemon flavor scent coming through the diffuser. All right, y'all, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe, rate, and comment. You can follow me on my social media at Ashawnya. It's all spelled the same way as the Ashawnya in my channel name. Today's post notification shout outs go to Sahara Small from People's Cathedral. Yes, my mom gave me the message. And pretty.le_data or data. Not sure, but it's DADA. Thank you again for watching my video and stay tuned for more vlogs on this channel. Peace!
Hey! We gonna mash up the road. It's Ashawnya. Andale. Tell you what. My waistline hot's like temper. Move up right down and center. My wine is an adventure with me.